If you're searching how to buy shares of Zoetis, this short guide will walk you through the steps. Zoetis is a global animal health company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker ZTS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy Zoetis stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ZTS to find Zoetis quickly. Select the entry that shows Zoetis on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and inspect the price chart over different timeframes. Double-check the company description and the NASDAQ ticker to confirm this is the correct Zoetis listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a delayed order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the trade executes, your Zoetis position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. Find a link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform further.